Sometimes, you feel completely alone. You have tried everything, searched every possible solution, and yet, the weight on your heart does not ease. Maybe you whispered a prayer today, a small plea in the quiet of your room, asking Allah for help. If you did, stay here for the next few minutes, because what you are about to feel is real, and it is meant for you. Life can be overwhelming. There are moments when the world seems too heavy, and every step feels like climbing a mountain. You see others moving forward with ease, while you are stuck, wondering why your prayers seem unanswered. But let me tell you this, Allah's guidance does not always come in the ways we expect. Sometimes it comes as a feeling, a gentle nudge, a sudden clarity that opens your heart. You may not notice it at first, but it is there, quietly shaping your path. Remember the last time you asked for help and felt nothing in return? That silence was not emptiness. It was a preparation. Allah sees your heart, your struggle, and your sincerity. Every tear you shed, every longing you carry, is counted. Every prayer you utter, even if it feels unheard, is being held close. The guidance you seek is not lost. It is unfolding step by step, in ways you cannot yet see. Sometimes, His guidance comes through patience. You may feel trapped in a loop of challenges, repeating the same mistakes, facing the same hardships. That is not failure. It is growth. Allah is teaching you resilience, showing you that the answer is not always immediate, but when it comes, it will be perfect, just as you needed. Trust that even the delays are part of a bigger plan designed for your good. Other times, guidance comes through people, through opportunities, or even through silence that allows your heart to reflect. A small act of kindness, a chance encounter, or a quiet moment alone can become the turning point you prayed for. Stay open. Pay attention to the subtle signs. They are messages from Allah, guiding you gently, like a hand reaching out in the dark, leading you toward light. You may feel doubt creeping in. You may question your worth, your path, your purpose. In those moments, remember that asking for help is not weakness. It is courage. It is a declaration of trust, a statement that you believe in a power greater than yourself. That belief alone brings peace. That trust alone opens doors you cannot force open with your own hands. Feel your heartbeat now. Take a deep breath. Imagine Allah listening, not in the noise of your words, but in the sincerity of your heart. Your prayers are seeds. Some grow immediately, some take time, but all of them bloom in the perfect season. Do not rush. Do not despair. The guidance you asked for is already on its way. Sometimes it arrives as strength, sometimes as clarity, and sometimes as a quiet reassurance that you are exactly where you are meant to be. Today, if you feel lost, let this be a reminder: you are not forgotten. Your heart is seen. Your prayers are answered in ways that matter. Even if you cannot see the road ahead clearly, trust that every step is guided. Every challenge is a step toward your growth. Every moment of struggle is a moment where Allah is shaping your journey, preparing you for the blessings you cannot yet imagine. Before you leave, pause and reflect. Whisper a simple prayer again. Feel the connection. Let your heart open to the guidance that is already surrounding you. You are stronger than you realize. You are not alone. And your prayers, spoken with hope and sincerity, are powerful. Hold on to that. Let it guide you today, tomorrow, and every day that follows. If this message touched your heart, let it reach others who need it too. Like this video, share it with someone who is struggling, and subscribe for more messages that remind you of Allah's endless guidance. Your path is being illuminated. You just have to notice the light.